Ari mumera uria wahumbaga gitaro kia Rift Valley riri na njira nene riu gucokereria kwa mumera uyu migonda-ini ya arimi gukirie kwihanda wega guku arimi makiambiriria kwamukira marihi mao kuma muthenya wa umuthi.
The companies even as early as tomorrow and Thursday will be on the ground buying flowers. All the companies are committed to pay within the 30-day legal window, but also there are companies that are paying on the spot. There are also companies that are paying within 2 weeks.
Kuringana na murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa urimi uria no mumemba wa kamiti ya kwarahura urimi uyu Grace Kirui, kwa hinda riri wirutaniirie wa kuongerera namba ya arimi aria mararima mbeniko ni uciarite maciaro mega.
Over the last one season, we've been able to cover over 500 acres, new acres of pyrethrum across the county, and that more than 5,000 farmers have been reached with small quantities of pyrethrum that they can continue to expand in the coming years.
We were also able to look at the challenges that are facing the industry currently and what needs to be done to address those issues. And we agreed that each partner will do what needs to be done.
Ona kuri uguo arimi no moritio kwaga gutaganiria kuri endia matiganite. Ndio murimi akendia mbeniko yake kuri kambuni imwe tu, undu rio gutigirira ni atungania umithio wake na njira ingitaririka.
Farmers make very rational decisions given their circumstances on the ground, but we are encouraging our farmers to respect the sanctity of a contract, because that also builds confidence by the investors that the investment will not be lost when you invest in one thing and the farmers sell to the next person.
Kwa ihinda riri kambuni ciothe iria iragurite mbeniko kuri arimi kimera gihituku itanyitwo gukorwo irihite arimi othe handu-ini ha thiku 30 ciukite. Handu-ini ha metha ya ujuria ya Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.